What's going on YouTube? Welcome back here. This is the new sneakers I got for you today, and this is Air Jordan 1 sneakers, new color, University Blue, and they're available here. So take this one to show here. Now let me show the details. This is the whole pair with the blue, white, and black color. So you can check around it. This is the side and the front. Third is this got the blue thread, white part got the white temple leather with the holes around the shoe tom, got the black shoelace, and also got another one is the blue. And this is the shoe tom, is the white color. On the top got Nike and the Nike Air letter. Nike shoes, and to the inner side, so got the same, the white temple leather, the blue thread, black Nike shoes. Okay, have a close look how good on this pair. For this one, very similar with other Air Jordan 1 sneakers, also have the blue color, and this is the new one with the thread on this, and then this is the back side, and here got Air Jordan wings, very good workmanship. Midsole is the white, at the bottom is the blue, in the middle got Nike Air, Nike shoes. And then about the inside, you can check out the back side of the shoe tom. Got the test. Inside got the black shoe pad and Nike Air. And then let me show the other one. So also is very good. The whole piece is very good. Check around it. Okay, so this is the new sneakers here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.